Now, a subscriber asked me to show how to draw support and resistance. That is what I'm going to show you guys in this video. Remember guys, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and also leave your comments down below. With whatever you want to ask, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be able to come back in the next video and record it out for you guys. In the previous video, I asked you guys to suggest anything you want me to record a video for you, showing you how to do. And one of you guys, I'll leave the comment right here, asked me to show how to draw support and resistance, and that is what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So I'm going to be showing you on the charts right behind me here. So we don't want to waste any longer. Let's go on the charts and I'll show you how to draw support and resistance. I'll show you this maybe in two methods. I won't show you everything because there are some which are proprietary information. There are some which I teach in my course that I do not want to give out for free because it will be unfair to the people who are going to get that course. The course is not yet out. I'm organizing it, but when it's out, most of the other methods that I use to draw support and resistance accurately will be shown in that video. Hope you guys are getting value from the content. If you're getting value and you're new to the channel and you've not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Let's go on the video. Okay guys, so we are on the charts here. We are on GBP USD 1 hour chart. What you need to do when you're drawing support and resistance is what you want to start from a higher time frame. Always when you're drawing support and resistance, make sure you start from a higher time frame. Your higher time frame is determined by which kind of trader you are or which kind of trades you are going to take. If you are going to scalp or day trade, you want to use your 1 hour or 4 hour charts respectively as your higher time frame charts. If you're going to swing trade, you're going to position trade, you can use the daily chart, the weekly chart, and the monthly charts. Okay, so depending on which kind of trades you're going to take or which kind of trader that you are, you determine the higher time frame based on which kind of trades you are going to take. So in this case, let's use the 4 hour chart. So here we are on the 4 hour chart. We are on the 4 hour chart here. So the first method I'm going to use to show you is this. But before that, the first thing you need to consider before you start drawing support and resistance is market structure. You have to know market structure. Market structure is simply how the trends within the market are forming based on candlesticks. How candlesticks are forming trends or consolidations. Okay, is it an uptrend, a downtrend, or a consolidation? That is market structure. Okay, for basically the market is creating higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, something like that. That is market structure. You want to first identify market structure. So in this case, the market structure here, for example here, the market structure is going up. How do you know it's going up? Because it is creating higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, higher low here, higher high, higher low, like that. Okay, as it is going up, it is creating structure. You get what I'm saying? Okay, it is creating this structure. So once you've identified the market structure and you know that this is a trending market, for example, it's trending upwards, what you want to do in the first method of drawing support resistance, you want to draw your support at a higher low. Okay, and you want to draw your resistance at a higher high like this. Okay, that's your resistance and support. Just draw that. Don't think twice. Okay, just draw where there are lower lows. You draw your zones. Okay, this one you can leave it out. This one extends here. You can see that. Then you can draw also here. You can see. Okay. Then here you can also draw your support. You can see. Okay, then here you can draw your resistance. This area here you can draw your resistance. Then here you can draw another resistance here. Then you can draw another support here. Okay, so let me first remove this. Okay, so this is the first way you draw support and resistance. You draw support at a higher low and resistance at a higher high, like that. Then you come to the lower time frames like the 1 hour chart. Okay, come to the 1 hour chart and go back to that same area. Then you look at how these are being respected. So you see here the market, okay, didn't come back exactly. can adjust this. It went up to resistance, came back down. How would you trade this? You would trade this when you see a bullish engulfing like this one here. You would put your buy trade here, or you would wait for a retest here, then you would enter at this 1, 2, 3 white soldiers here. Your stop loss below the support, and then you would target a 1 to 2, which you would get still. Okay, you target a 1 to 2, or you would trade to this next resistance. Okay, that would be a 1 to 1.3. okay, that is how you trade the support and resistance. So resistance, you would wait for price to come up to there. When price breaks above, you wait for it to retest. Always wait for the market to retest. It will come back to retest. You wait for it to form 3 white soldiers or any other candlestick formation. Like here, it formed 3 white soldiers. Jump in on a buy here, stop loss below, then you target a 1 to 2. Okay, target a 1 to 2, which you would get there. Okay, you'd get a 1 to 2 there. Okay, then again, you just keep doing that. This also forms resistance. You wait for market to break above and retest. Do the same thing. Okay, this was this one is a retest of this one. Okay, of this. This is its retest. So you would look for a candlestick formation here, bullish engulfing, whatever. Like this was a bullish engulfing. You would put a buy trade here, stop loss below, and get target a 1 to 2. Okay, that is how you do trade this first method of drawing support and resistance. So whenever you see your support being broken, then there you start to think twice about the continuation of the market. Like here, this resistance was broken above, you do trade it, yes, but then price came back and broke below it here, came and broke below it with this candle here. Now, would you take a trade here? Would you take a trade here, a sell? Because that would be a break of this structure. Would you take a sell trade? You'd wait for a confirmation or a retest of this area. So you see the market just went, it did not retest it, just blew past it above, came back and tested this area, went up, came back and tested it again here, okay, and produced this bullish engulfing, which you would then trade to the next previous resistance, which is this one. Okay, with your stop loss just here, you would get to that area. You would get a 1 to 2, but you just trade it to this next area. Okay, so that is the first method of drawing support and resistance. This method is not shown by many people on YouTube, guys, but if you use this method, you'll be on your way to success. You will be on your way to success. That one I guarantee. It is very easy to learn how to draw the support resistance, and it's very effective. The second method that I wanted you guys to learn is you just draw. The second method is the normal method you guys know. Okay, just look at areas where the market is turning. Okay, just look at the area where market is turning. For example, market came down here. Let me show you. Market came down here, but this area here was the market. This area was the place where sellers were no longer willing to sell the market at. Okay, and so buyers took over and took the market up to there. Okay, so support is the area on the chart where sellers are no longer willing to sell the currency pair at, because the price is so low, so discounted. But at the same time, buyers are willing to buy it from there because it's at a discount. You see, if you see, for example, during Black Fridays or days when there are discounts within some retail stores, you find that people flock those stores to buy things. Why? They're buying because there is a discounted price, and the retail stores cannot sell it below that price because that is the price they are willing to sell it at. Okay, they are willing to sell it at that price, but not below that. Okay, so that is the same principle on the Forex chart, because it is also a market. So you want to look for that area, such areas, and then you mark them. Okay, just mark turning points, major turning points. Like this one is a support area. Okay, mark also this area is also support. This is resistance rather. Okay, and then this is also support. You just keep on marking those areas where you see the market turning majorly. Okay, there are some minor ones which you can ignore, but the major ones you mark them, like here. Okay, that is also an area of resistance. Now you see, when you move this forward, you will see that the market reached that area, broke above. Now the market is consolidating around that area. So what you'll be looking for here is a chart patterns for you to sell or to buy the market. Okay, you can see this is also an area which would mark like this. Would mark this area like this, that zone. Remember, support and resistance is not a single line. It's a zone, a price zone where people are willing to buy or sell from. Okay, also this area was an area where the market turned. So you can see that the market turned, went up, bounced here at 1 2, came down and consolidated, broke below, tested, went down, tested, then continued going down. So to draw support and resistance, just look for areas where the market is turning from, okay, on a higher time frame. Then you can come down to the lower time frame. Like now here, if we go down to the 1 hour chart, you can be able to see and trade those areas clearly. Okay, let's see. You can come now, like here, you can see these areas. You could trade from here. You look for just engulfing candles around that area for you to trade. Okay, even here you look for engulfing candles for you to trade. So support and resistance is these are major turning points of the market. So whenever you see a major turning point, look for an area within that place you look for a candlestick formation or a chart pattern around there for you to take advantage of the market. So I hope this really answers a subscriber who asked me to help out with drawing support and resistance. If you don't get the concept, there is another video on the channel. I'll leave a link in the description, or I'll maybe leave a pop-up around here for you guys to go and check out that video. It also shows you another method of drawing support and resistance, which is very effective. But these two I've shown you are the easiest to do, and they really work. They work. You have to just put in the work, practice, and you will make it. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace out.